with Andre Armenion, Bral Meca, Don Reverente, Elmer.
After 2 years, I believe, yeah. 2 seasons.
Yung main game noon was Abra versus Manila. Manila back then had Greg Slaughter. Meanwhile, that shot from Rafgo to open up the game for Bacolod
Was the 39 points of Desmond Price.
Here he is. And picking up from where he left off, knocks down.
That's a good sign for Bacolod to start this game.
Bral Meca supply. Reverente picks it up. Puts it back in. First field goal para na
In Cebu, at doon na sila magkikita since the games next week will be in Cebu.
Oo.
Dalawang game day yun, ha?
Nauna na sila dun. Ay, Rafco, pasa kay Nico Laban. This lineup, they don't really have a natural point guard. Talking about Bacolod. But they somehow, Bral Meca and Jet Ruteng getting entangled down low.
But the important part is that his mind is in the middle, always ready for the situation at hand. Ken, Coach Chris.
Thank you so much, Mika. And
Nice move.
Nico Laban gets away and scores on the layup.
Armenion, here comes the greats.
ManiPay, digital wallet built for the community. Mark Meneses tips it. Ariar, hanap ng papasahan. Baitiong, pupukol sa labas. I'm not sure if he called it, but he banks it in.
Doesn't matter.
Still 2. Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBN. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Tampos, pass to Baitiong. Too strong. Tampos, masyado malakas yung putback. Denison, pabandang tira. Pasok yan. Rafgo facing up. Jumper, matik yan.
Shoot from either pivot that time. Using his right pivot, turning to the other shoulder. Baitiong nagparamdam sa loob.
Alvin Baitiong with 4 points. Rafgo stepping into a free. He is on a heater. A dozen.
May bumagsak.
Yes, Denison.
Oh, it's usually the other way around.
Yeah, Meca
The first
and
corner. But this happened off ball. Yun. That's an unsportsmanlike foul.
yeah, si Miko
We thought it was Mark Meneses.
because of the jersey number.
Yeah. Maybe it's Mark Meneses. Minsan nag-iiba yung...
It to Baitiong. Boom Boom Tampos behind the back dribble, fades away and gets it to go. Kim Ariar, pasa ay Boom Boom. Boom Boom nakalusot, lays it in.
His team, let's take it easy, but he turns the ball over right after saying it. 3-on-1, well executed.
You can go, Tamsi. Playing with the Paul Desiderio, UV.
And then transferred to where?
You had to put it in dahil papalapit na rin yung All-Star festivities natin. Baka paunlakan tayo yan. But Boom Boom Tampos able to soar
A
it.
basket from Cebu.
Matagal na rin nagsimula yan eh. June Manzo nakalusot sa depensa with an open layup all over the place. The pass to June Manzo on target from beyond the arc. Not stop the bleeding. Nico Laban, pasa sa labas, Mescariola. Tumikata sa 3. And finally, fake pass, Mescariola. Pinektusan pa yung reverse. Mescariola bumangga. But did not have enough strength for the finish. Bounce pass ni Tamsi, papunta kay June Manzo. Lays it in.
Manzo protect.
Escosio, shot fake, lalapit, side step, na igulong paloob yung layup. Reverente, pasa sa labas, Hesalem turns down the shot. Manzo with an escape act. Another layup from the former. Actually, nung laban lang against Batangas City, just the other day, they were in the lead. They had a double-digit lead, up by 15 points, 3 steals, 5 blocks.
Yambing. Siya rin ba ang best player na?
Yung sa Valenzuela? Ay, sa Mikuayan, oo.
Shot 1 quarter. But he struggled really in that game. It was against Binyan. You're asking the wrong questions.
Rafgo, pasa kay Desmond Price. Will put in the 3. Desmond Price with 14 points. Umikot si Boom Boom Tampos. He's now in double figures with 10 as well. Cebu Greats last season. Siya rin yung halos gumagawa sa kanila eh. Remember that time where they were called Cebu Classic?
Yes.
Medyo nahirapan na siya makakuha ng minutes kasi dumating sila Jude Manzo, Paul Desiderio, JR Quinian, but look at him go! The backwards go of the MPBL. Swabing-swabe naman yun. Galing kay Boom Boom Tampos.
Nagmukhang basic eh, no? Pag-reverse niya.
Ooh, gliding in the air. With the basketball, Agaw Meneses cleared for takeoff. He will slam it down with two hands.
Mukhang naawa pa siya sa ring eh.
Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Alam mo bakit?
Ito. Look at the reaction.
Ayan,
Yan. Ito yung dunk. Titignan niya yung ring. Yung ring is a season 2, I believe.
Season 2 pa.
Yeah. Maybe season 1. I don't know. CJ Payawal joins into the party. At that time, Navotas under Coach Elvis Tolentino, almost blocked by CJ. And
Veloso, pasa kay Mesqueriola, tumigada sa tres. Yes! Veloso swings it to Marjon Wahing, steps into a three. Bokit. Back-to-back triples from Bacolod. Ito si Bogs, ang tinawag ko sa kanya DJ.
okay.
So lumapit siya kanina. Sabi niya sa akin, lilinawin ko lang, hindi DJ, iba yun. Ibang trabaho ng DJ. Ang tawag dito sa basketball, spinner.
Okay.
Ayan. Para lang daw walang agam-agam sa mga tao kung anong talaga tawag sa kanya. Marjon Wahing lets it fly and puts it in.
Wallet for a 3 to give up the 3. Dire-diretso si Lin. Tulad nito, dire-diretso. Si Double A.
Ryle Mecca. Lot of contact. Able to lay it in.
Voyager, the Skywalker,
Skyscraper.
the Bullet, the Skyscraper, the Flash.
Oh, the throwdown by Mark Meneses.
Here was the slam. Not out of the woods yet. Now, the woods have been burned. And continues to burn against the...
Manzo still with a rock. That patented one-hander. 58. Bondang Iwan turns around and shoots it. Yung Cebu nun, I remember, meron din silang parang cage sa bleachers. I don't know if you recall. May Cruz, sila Rene Nugnatan, John Ferrios, John Del Cardel. How about this three?
Dennis Madrid.
Dennis Madrid. Paidyong, titira pa sa tres. Short.
Or maybe part of the roster. Like, you know, the pool. His name was
Was part of the
thrown
pool.
in there, yes.
Sa Cebu,